Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 31st, and this is my recap of the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, linked at the end of this video down here in the corner. And also, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all these benefits listed below and potentially more. So anyways, the euro dollar did make a really nice move down. I did end up shorting it. I got out because we did have a 61%, a 161% Fibonacci extension. Now this definitely looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up, and then potentially 5 waves down. It looks like a 3, 3, 5 pattern with a higher high and a lower low. That definitely could be an expanding flat. If it is an expanding flat, then it will definitely continue back up and probably make a new high. The target for an expanding flat wave C is the 161, 178. So it definitely did hit that target area and make a pretty nice move up. The only thing we really need to see to confirm this is a break of this high right here. Because if it really is the end of the crescent, it needs to go up and it needs to break that high right there. If it doesn't break that high and it ends up turning back down very aggressively, then it might invalidate this. Because like I said first thing this morning, my morning video, it does look like a possible ABC. If it doesn't break the high and it keeps on pushing down, it may just be the end of a correction and it may just continue to downtrend. That's why paying attention to structure and understanding what structure tells you is so important. So anyways, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe and happy trading.